11:17, turning to Weather Watch 12 on an impact day. Meteorologist Jason Dunning is here tracking rain and storms, some of which could be severe.
Yeah, we've got some light rain moving in right now, but it's mainly overnight into tomorrow morning. We're going to see that potential for severe weather, and it's going to be a warm and windy afternoon too. We're going to make it all the way up into the middle 80s, very similar to what we saw on Saturday. And then through the afternoon, I also want to mention there's a chance for a couple of isolated storms. I think most of this by far will stay dry, so pretty peaceful, tranquil skies out there through the afternoon hours, and we'll monitor that severe threat overnight. But a lot of it kind of depends on how well those storms to the west of us hold together as they charge east. And we've got some storms that we're tracking currently on the satellite and radar. Thankfully, we missed out on all of this moving across Illinois. There's actually severe weather right now around the Chicagoland area. There's a severe thunderstorm warning earlier around Joliet, but we're getting just the northern fringes of this, just some mainly light to moderate rain scraping across portions of southern Wisconsin. But look at all this nasty weather around Chicago. Heavy rain, lightning, some hail, some gusty winds, and all of that. And as we look up through Kenosha, Racine, Oak Creek, and portions of Milwaukee County, South Milwaukee County, we have some areas of rain moving through, but it's not going to last that much longer. Here's our future radar. So we'll start with the current radar view. We'll project it through the next couple of hours, and I think for most of us by about 12:30 to 1 o'clock, the rain exits back off toward the east, and we get a break in the action for most of the afternoon. We're seeing right now starting to get some light to moderate rain, not a whole lot adding up there. You can see some wet pavement and got some pretty warm temperatures to go along with that. With a southerly wind, we're in the mid-70s right now. We're going to make it up into the 80s this afternoon. Here's the plan for the next 12 hours. Very gusty south to southwesterly wind, 84 by 5 o'clock today, and then closer to about 11 o'clock and midnight, some of those storms will be approaching from the west. So there's those daytime highs right around the middle 80s for most of us. 84, 82 tomorrow. There comes the slide with temperatures once a cold front moves in. Then we're back in the 70s for Saturday and Sunday. Let's walk you through the timeline of that storm threat overnight. So there goes the rain that we have out there right now, those storms down to the south. We're going to be watching to the west as storms kind of organize over portions of Iowa and Minnesota. This takes us to about 11 o'clock tonight. And what we're going to be watching for here is how well, again, do these storms hold together. This most recent model kind of has the storms falling apart. So that's a possibility that we won't see any severe storms, but if they do hold together for a little bit longer, we could see some strong damaging winds, some hail possible. The main thing will be the wind threat in the moderate impact category. Low chance for tornadoes, very low chance for some hail, and not expecting any flooding just because the rain's not going to be lasting very long. I think generally less than a ½ an inch. So going to your 7-day forecast on this impact day, 84, pretty windy through the afternoon with gusts about 30 miles per hour for parts of the area. And then we'll track that severe threat overnight, but not a guarantee that we're going to get some severe weather, just something we'll have to monitor closely through the overnight as the storms sort of weaken as they march closer to Lake Michigan. And then tomorrow afternoon we dry out. 82 degrees, and then there's that slide. Temperatures a little bit cooler, 43 by early on Thursday morning, Jaron, and then we're back in the 70s for the weekend. I want to mention the rain chance as we get into Friday and Sunday, but the weekend overall looking pretty good.
Yeah, kind of all over the place until we get there.
We are. Good to see some 80s back in the forecast after it was a pretty warm Saturday.
Yeah, yes, it was. Not complaining about it, though,
I know.
just yet. All right, Jason, thank you. After